That's right. The lawsuit was filed today by Fremont, Chaffee, and Custer counties. It claims former DA Linda Stanley knew what she was doing and proceeded to break the law anyway. District attorneys can't use taxpayer money for anything that doesn't serve operations of local government. Former 11th Judicial District DA Linda Stanley, a Republican, might have missed this memo.
And the idea that you would even try to do something like this is itself rather outrageous.
9 News legal expert Scott Robinson says Stanley already lost her legal credibility after she was disbarred earlier this year. Now, a lawsuit from Custer, Chaffee, and Fremont counties adds insult to injury.
It's hard to think that the Supreme Court of Colorado would look at this as anything but an awful violation of the ethics, but you can't disbar somebody twice.
Stanley was found guilty of misconduct while handling the case against Barry Morphew in the death of his wife, Suzanne. This lawsuit alleges while Stanley was on trial for misconduct, she used more than $100,000 in taxpayer money to pay for her defense lawyers.
The same person that would do the acts that she was found guilty of doing is the kind of person who would use taxpayer funds to pay for it.
The Fremont County attorney wrote to her on June 27th, reminding her the law states money out of her office budget can't pay legal fees. 2 months later, the attorney sent another note stating ignoring this issue will not make it disappear, and the county will not overlook misappropriation of public funds. Robinson says Stanley is one of a kind in all the worst ways.
What makes this so egregious is that there are dozens and dozens and dozens of elected DAs over the decades here in Colorado, and no one has ever been accused of doing something like this, using taxpayer funds to defend yourself against allegations of unethical conduct.
The lawsuit demands Stanley pay back the more than $111,000 she spent on legal fees plus interest. Janelle Finch, 9 News.